Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to learn chapter 1, that is Introduction to Financial Management. So topic outcome, at the end of this topic, students should be able to describe the financial management and its function. So inilah apa yang akan kita belajar. Kita ada 1.1 di 1.6 subtopic in chapter 1. Okay, so let's take a look at that 1.1. What is finance? So finance can be defined as the application of the principles of financial economics to an interrelated set of monetary problems. Or finance is a process by which money is transferred among businesses, individuals, and governments via financing and investing activities of these parties. So basically finance ni untuk manage kita punya money lah, to gain a lot more. Maksudnya contoh macam kita buat investment. Kenapa kita nak buat investment? Untuk memberanakkan lagi kita punya duit. Okay. Next, categories of finance. So finance can be categorized into 3 types of finance, that are public finance, personal finance, and corporate finance. So what is this? So public finance ialah finance being used by government. Personal finance is a finance being used by individuals. Whereas corporate finance is finance being used by a wide variety of business institutions. So maksudnya ketiga-tiga kategoris ni menunjukkan kepada 3 individu yang menggunakan finance. Sebab itu kalau you tengok definition dia, process by which money is transferred among businesses. Business menunjukkan kepada corporate finance, individuals menunjukkan kepada personal finance, and governments public finance. Okay. So next 1.2, kita tengok importance of finance. Okay, sebenarnya benda ni semua boleh, you all boleh fikirlah secara logik kan. Tapi kita go through je. So first, important finance is to ensure each department or members of organization able to understand and utilize the firm's financial resources wisely. Okay, towards the objective of the firm. What is the objective of the firms? That is to increase the firm's value. Next, finance will help the firm in planning, especially in financial planning and resources, solving the problems, choosing the best alternative. Okay, so third, finance will aid in allocating and managing organizations' funds efficiently and effectively. Okay, so dia bantu untuk allocate sajalah secara efektif dan juga efficient. So lastly, finance will encourage good and effective communication among department or functions or members of the organizations to achieve the firm's objective. That is, may increase the firm's profitability. So these are the importance of finance. So let's go to the 1.3, the components of financial management environment. There are 4 types of components, 4 components in financial management, that are first, financial manager, second, investors, third, financial institutions, lastly, the financial market. So who are financial manager? Financial manager is a person who is responsible in managing firm or individual financial assets efficiently and effectively. Itulah financial manager. Financial manager yang akan manage kita punya asset. So next, investor. Investor is an individuals or financial institutions who are providing funds to other individuals or institutions who needs the fund. Contohnya kalau kita membuat individual investment, so kita ni dipanggil sebagai investor lah. Kita membayar, kita masuk, kita beli saham. We are the investor. Next ialah financial institution. Financial institution is the middle parties that channel the savings of individuals, businesses, and governments into loan or investment. Okay, financial institution. Contoh, kita buka kita buat investment dengan bank. Sekarang semua bank ada. Boleh je you nak buat investment, boleh je buat dengan bank apa-apa sahaja. It's fine. As for me, I buat dengan public mutual. So public mutual tu ialah financial institutions. Okay. So next, lastly lah financial market. Financial market is marketplace where the funds providers and financial manager met and securities being traded. So financial market ni kalau kita macam nak tengok harga lah, harga saham tu, di situ boleh tengok. Dekat Bursa Malaysia boleh tengok. Kalau as I said earlier, I buat dengan public mutual, so I boleh tengok lah saham ni berapa harga, hari ni berapa harga dia, jatuh ke naik. Kat situ semua dekat financial market. Financial market ni besar. So financial market ni dia ada money market and capital market. What is money market? Money market is a place deals with short-term securities that have a life within 1 year. Okay. So money market ni, securities is very liquid. Securities easily converted into cash. It has virtual market. Can be operated via email or telephone. Facilitate firm and institutions to obtain short-term loans. For example, bankers' acceptance and commercial paper. So basically, kalau kita nak buat investment, dia ada, you boleh buat investment dalam money market ataupun capital market. Bila kata money market, low risk, low return lah. Dia low risk kat sini sebab dia easily converted into cash. Tapi dia punya percentage hanyalah 2 to 5% kot you boleh dapat. Tapi every month you memang boleh bawa keluar lah money market ni. Okay, tapi low risk, low return. Kalau capital market, a place deals with long-term securities that have a life more than 1 year. Comprises development of financial institutions, savings and insurance institution, EPF and etc. Alright, so ni EPF ya. Tadi typing error, okay. Mr. betulkan. So EPF ya. National development, capital investment, consumption durable goods, and any investment requires long-term fundings. So maksudnya perlukan capital market lah. For example, common stock, preference stocks, and bonds. Okay. So kalau capital market ni dia ada 3 lah. You boleh invest dalam common stock, preference stock ataupun bonds. Dan setiap 3 ni juga dia punya interest rate berbeza lah, dia punya return. Kalau bonds, maybe you boleh dapat around 5 to 8%. Kalau preference stock dan juga common stock, you may boleh dapat 10 to 20%. Okay, 10 to 50. Some sort like that lah. So capital market ni dia high risk, high return. Kenapa dia high risk? Sebab dia tak liquid. Maksudnya you kena simpan, you kena invest more than 1 year. Tapi it's advisable kalau you buat investment, better lah you simpan more than 5 years, then only you boleh nampak you punya return tu. Kalau tak, macam nampak tapi sikit lah. Kalau you simpan lebih lama, lebih banyak dia punya return tu. You boleh nampak gandaan duit tu lebih banyak lah. Okay. So next, financial market ni juga dia ada primary market dan juga secondary market. Primary market ni adalah market trading new securities for the first time. Issuer directly involved in selling the securities. Secondary market ni market trading existing securities in the financial market. For example, Bursa Malaysia, Nasdaq, BDX. Okay. Maksudnya secara keseluruhan ni kita just perlu tahulah dia ada primary market and secondary market. Semua yang handle ni bukan kita lah. Okay. Semua ni ialah financial manager. So next, let's take a look at the rules of financial manager. So financial manager ni, dia punya rules ialah dia forecasting, planning, dealing with financial market, dealing with investment and financing decision, deciding on dividend payment, lastly coordination and control. Okay, you boleh baca je dekat textbook, very simple, you boleh faham je. So I just tell you the point lah. Okay, explanation you boleh read on your own dalam textbook. So next, let's go to the areas of financial management functions. Okay, so sebelum kita pergi kepada areas dia, let's take a look at the differences. Okay, financial report ni yang mana? Yang far you belajar daripada part 1 tu lah. Okay, so bila financial reporting ni, dia ialah process of recording, summarizing, classifying the business activities and interpreting the result for users to make decision making. Financial reporting lah, you prepare the statement. So management accounting ni pula is the application of accounting and costing principles, methods, techniques and approach in ascertaining the of cost, planning and controlling for decision making. Tu you kira costing tu, kira harga produk semua yang MAF you belajar tu. Okay, daripada part 2 you belajar MAF, itu ialah management accounting. So right now MAF 253 financial management is the application of management activities on planning, organizing, directing and controlling the firm's financial resources or funds for investing, financing, and asset management decisions efficiently and effectively towards the objective of the firm. So, dalam arti kata yang lain, areas of financial management ni ialah investing, financing, and asset management. 3 benda ni. So dia akan decide lah. Okay, kalau you tengok buku teks, we'll refer page 3 until page 6. So investing ni, the investment decision is the most important decision. Okay, so decision apa yang dia perlu buat? There are 2 types of investment decision that are capital investment decision and working capital investment decision. So, maksudnya nak invest duit ni dekat mana? Okay, kalau capital ni dia involve with non-routine, normally critical, example dia nak purchase a new machine. Okay, itu untuk capital investment decision. Kalau untuk working capital investment decision ni, dia more routine lah, dia day to day, daily basis. For example, dia akan involve dengan decision number of inventories, cash. Sebab working capital punya formula current asset minus current liability. So sebab tu dia decision untuk working capital investment ni more routine lah, more daily basis, or related with inventories, cash, marketable securities, account receivable to hold within certain period. Okay, semua ni financial management akan buat. So example of investment decision ni, maksudnya dia akan decide how much asset to buy, what type of asset to buy, is this investment necessary? Ini semua adalah investing decision. Next, lepas kita decide investing, kedua important ialah financing decision. So financing decision ni, dia akan decide on how to finance this asset. Okay, kita dah decide mula invest. Okay, kita dah decide nak beli apa. Contoh, okay, kita nak beli equipment. Next, financing decision, kita decide nak beli equipment ni dengan apa, menggunakan source of finance apa. Kita ada two type of source of finance, that are borrowings or capital. So dekat finance decision ni lah kita akan decide kita nak beli dengan apa. Kalau borrowing, kita nak guna short term loan ataupun long term loan. Kalau capital, kita nak guna apa, common equity ke preference stock ke? Dekat sini finance decision akan buatlah. Itulah financing decision. So lepas kita dah pun decide, okay, kita nak finance menggunakan apa, then only the third functions of financial manager are asset management. So asset management decision is the third important decision in the asset or resource management decision. Once the asset has been acquired and appropriate financing provided, this asset must be managed efficiently. So the financial manager will be more concerned with the management of current asset. Okay, kenapa dia financial manager concern dengan current asset? Because by managing current asset effectively and efficiently, the company can increase its returns and minimize its risk of illiquidity. So financial manager ni dia concern dengan current asset punya management lah. So siapa yang akan manage the non-current asset is the operating manager. Operating manager will focus on the management of non-current asset. Okay, so these are the three functions for the financial management: investing decision, financing decision, and asset management decision. So next, let's go to the 1.5 goal of the firm. So goal of the firm is actually to maximize the shareholders' wealth, not to maximize the profit. Okay, so apa beza ni? Okay, so kalau you tengok kat sini, maximization of shareholders' wealth means to maximize the market value or market price of the existing shareholders' common stock. Okay, dia nak maksimalkan dia punya market price. Bila market price dia tinggi, akan ramailah investor yang nak invest dengan company dia. Okay, so profit maximization ni apa? Profit maximization ni means to earn profit as much as possible without considering the impact on the company's future performance. Okay, so dia fikir nak dapatkan profit je. Dia buatlah apa-apa asalkan profit dia meninggi. So which one is better? Of course, the maximization of shareholders' wealth lebih bagus. Sebab dia jaga dia punya shareholders ni, berbanding dengan company yang nak profit maximization. Okay, so profit maximization, kita tengok advantages dan juga disadvantages. So advantages profit maximization ni easy to calculate profit, tapi untuk chapter 1 ni tak ada calculation. It's all theory. Dia akan masuk dalam part A, objective question, 8 soalan. Okay, so inilah advantages dan juga disadvantages of profit maximization. Next, kita tengok maximization of shareholders' wealth. So maximization of shareholders' wealth ni is to maximize the market value of common stock held in the company. At the same time, it will maximize the profit. Okay, so samalah at the end. Of course lah, semua business nak maximize dia punya profit. Tetapi kalau you jaga you punya shareholders' wealth ni, it's much better than you nak maximization the profit only. So dengan adanya maximization of shareholders' wealth ni, it will fulfill all short-term targets and increase in profitability and maintaining financial stability. Maximization of shareholders' wealth ni will apply time value of money. which means money received today is worth more in the future. Kita akan belajar nanti time value of money, macam mana nak calculate tu. Okay. Next, dia considering uncertainty and risk. The increase in cash flow to pay for the dividend. So itulah target dia. Dia nak jaga shareholder. Shareholder nak apa? Shareholder nakkan dividend. So macam mana nak dapatkan dividend yang banyak? Dia perlulah ada market price, market value dia kena tinggi. Bila semua orang invest, so dia boleh roll, dia punya money. So that's how the profit, that's how it can maximize the profit. So again, these are the advantages and disadvantages of maximization of shareholders' wealth. Okay, so dalam buku ni juga dia ada tunjuk differences between shareholders' wealth dan juga profit maximization. So we tengok page page 15. Okay, we tengok, baca teori saja. So last but not least, 1.6, the legal forms of business. Ni daripada part 1 lagi, you ada belajar. Okay, kita ada sole proprietorship, partnership and company lah. So apa beza ni? So proprietorship semuanya owned by the sole owner. Profit and loss will be enjoyed by the owner. Capital contributed by the owner. Managed and controlled by the owner. It have unlimited liability. So partnership owned by 2 to 20 partners. Can be maximum has 50 partners for professional partnership. Profit or loss will be shared among partners based on profit sharing ratio as per partnership agreement. Capital contributed by partners based partnership agreement. Managed and controlled by partners or board of partners also have unlimited liability. The company owned by the shareholders according to types of or authorized capital, minimum 2. Profit distributed to shareholders has dividend. The company issues shares to shareholders for capital. Managed and controlled by board of directors. It has limited liability. That's all for chapter 1. Thank you and have a nice day. So ada apa-apa soalan, just ask me dalam WhatsApp, okay? Thank you.